Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video, living with the latest software update, the 36.2.1. A lot of people did a review of the software when it first came out. Now, I missed that initial rush of views of videos regarding the software update because those of you that watch my channel often will remember that software update came out the day I brought my car in to have the that warranty work done. The little teeny rust spot at the corner of my fender that Tesla graciously, even though I was out of warranty, decided to Goodwill repair for me. They had the car for a week, and the day, or well, 5 days they had it, and the day it went in was like 2 hours later. I got my notification for my software update, so I couldn't even run the software update and that until 5 days later. So I wanted to just use the car for a while and update you guys on what it's been like to live with this software update. And gotta tell you, it's really, really good. So let's see here, software update release notes. For those of you that are unaware of what's in this update, there are a lot of different things. There's automatic navigation, which it will start a route to your likely destination. If you drive to work the same place every day, it will automatically set the route for you at that time of day. But I'm going to bring up the two items that daily use has really been nice. Power increase, there's a 5% power increase. This is the second 5% power increase that Tesla has released for this car, and it really is noticeable. You wouldn't think 5% is much, but you do feel it. The good old butt dyno, you feel it in the seat of your pants when you accelerate, which is nice. Scheduled departure, stopping mode. So the power increase and the stopping mode are the two that, the scheduled departure and also the automatic navigation, they're sort of one and the same. My day always starts going to a different destination, so those don't really affect me much. But the power increase is nice, and I have a long-range rear-wheel drive car, and it's to the point where even though I have staggered wheels, I have the stock 8.5-inch wheels in front, and I have 10-inch wide wheels and complementary extra wide tires at the rear. I should have tons of traction. Now, granted, it's cold out, so but I have traction issues. Before the power increase, the car hooked pretty well. Since the power increase, I hear and feel traction breaking loose. So there is definitely a noticeable difference in the power. But the stopping mode, every single drive, 20 times during the drive, I love stopping mode. So what stopping mode is, it allows the car to stop without touching the brake at all. So I'll demonstrate. Get going 25. There's my foot off of the accelerator, not touching the brake at all. And it'll come to a complete stop just on its own. Now, not that that's amazing. The Chevy Bolt will do that. Other cars will do true one-foot driving. But Tesla has always sort of forced you to use the brake below like 5 or 6 miles an hour. And I don't want to say it was annoying. I mean, you get used to it. It's not a big deal. But you do also lose some of the regen that's available. So number one, you're getting a little bit more regen. Number two, you really only have to use the one pedal. So there we go, right down to a stop again, only 1 foot. And Tesla has the software nailed. It comes to a stop, I would say, at least as gradual and smooth as I could ever achieve, probably smoother. So between the power increase, at least for me, the scheduled departure and that I would assume is going to be awesome for other people, but for me, the power increase, which is great, and that one pedal driving, those are the two things that I appreciate big time. This is probably my favorite software update, maybe with the exception of the changed graphics and the ability to move the graphics around on the screen from the last software update. Maybe that's a little bit cooler in my eyes, but from a functional standpoint, this one pedal driving and the added power are just stellar. They're amazing. So day-to-day living, 2 thumbs up. There's one thing, it said it came with some bug fixes too, and one thing I want to point out that hasn't been pointed out at least that I can find by anybody else, is that I think they addressed the automatic wipers. Now, it doesn't say anything in the release notes, but my automatic wipers, I try them, and they don't wipe until the windshield is absolutely saturated and you can't see through it. Then you get one wipe, then it has to get completely saturated, then you get one wipe again. Now they work great, except for one thing, and that is that they'll work fine, then all of a sudden do whoop, 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 and they start going fast, even though it's just drizzling, and it's like whoop, 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 whoop. And it'll do that for a while, then all of a sudden it figures it out and slows back down again and becomes intermittent again. So not sure what that glitch is, but once in a while it will do that when it's on automatic wipers. So I have it set for auto wipers. You can see auto, and yet the wipers are going. There's pretty much nothing hitting the windshield, and yet they're going. So kind of weird. When I first got in my car, they were going really fast, and now they're kind of figuring it out. I didn't get my camera up in time. So something I wanted to point out that I hadn't heard anybody else mention. So anyway, that's it for today. Keep looking at the channel over the next couple of weeks or so. I've got lots and lots of content that's going to be going up. Probably a video every single day or close to it. So thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it. For those of you that are wondering, I am going to be doing a video on the Alcantara dash panel, explaining that in detail. This steering wheel has sold, so you won't be seeing it in the car soon. I'll be removing it, washing it real nice for the customer, and boxing it up for him, and you'll see a stock wheel back in place. I do have another cut top Formula One looking steering wheel that I'm mostly done with. That'll be going in the car. Keep an eye out for that. The screen mounts, the lowered and adjustable screen, I keep getting orders pretty much every single day for it. If you want to order one, go ahead. We'll be starting production on right-hand drive screen mounts soon, but I'll do a full update video on that shortly. But I'll put a link in the description below for if you want to order a screen mount kit. I think that's pretty much it. So anyway, thanks a lot, guys, and look forward to a lot more videos here soon. Oh, also, as I've already announced my previous video, that we've decided that our second EV, well, third EV to add to the channel, will be a Ford Mach-e. That is not replacing this car. This car isn't going anywhere. I'm not in any way unhappy with my purchase. I'll be doing a video explaining a little bit more about that, but the Model 3 is staying put. I want to put as many miles on this car as I can, but we have decided to order a Mach-e, so I have something different than Tesla to compare with the Tesla. So excited about that. Anyway, I think that's it for now. You guys have yourselves a wonderful day, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.